2, 1.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night to you guys. It is, what is it, babe?
New Year.
It is New Year's Eve. It's not your New Year's, honey.
New Year's Eve.
It's like New Year's, that's all I heard. You guys, it is New Year's Eve and we are heading out on the town. No, I'm just kidding. We're not heading out on no town. We're actually heading to some of our friends. I guess we should call it tradition by now because that's what we did last year. And that's what we're doing this year again. Going to be with babe besties, chit-chatting, eating food until midnight. So that's what we're doing. That's where we're heading right now. Happy 2018, you guys. By the time you guys watching this, it would have been way into 2018. Hope you guys have an amazing time ringing in the new year, as we sure we're going to make the best of it. And just, I wouldn't tell you guys to set resolutions and stuff like that because I don't set resolutions. I just let my year flow, and whatever Almighty decides to do with my year, that's what happened. So this year I declare it's going to be a good year, just like 2018 is going to be a good year, just like why are we so blurry? 2018 is going to be a good year, just like 27 has been.
It's the red light, so I'm cool.
Just like 2017 has been an amazing year. Honestly, I cannot count on one hand any disappointing things that happened to me in 2017. It has been blessings on top of blessings on top of blessings, and I'm honestly grateful. And all the little hiccups that I've had within 2017 is just overshadowed by all the blessings that I've received within this year. So make 2018 a good one, you guys, and I am honestly blessed to be one of the persons who have lived to see another year. We're heading out to ringing in the new year, and we'll catch you guys later. And my little Eskimo is in the back chilling. You guys can't see him, but you guys will see him as soon as we get where we're going. Stella, step in the house, he got more tight. Oh my god.
What?
Tyler! Tyler, what is that? What? Tyler, cool!
Tu fais un bisou? Un bisou?
Bisous à tonton. Bisous à tata aussi, hein?
Ah là là.
Every day this boy get a gift.
Merci sa première voiture de police.
Waouh.
Après la police, le pompier. Après les pompiers, il y en a, et la police, il n'y en a pas. C'était le bon choix.
What? You got a car? You got a car? Pretty car?
La cuisine qui a changé.
Put it down on the floor. Tyler, put it here.
Ah, c'est fait. Ça me pas les La poubelle, tu sais où elle est? Ah si, on s'est capté. C'est rigolo après. Ça il a bien le visite?
Ça va, ouais, on va se réveiller pour manger.
We are actually here at our friend's house. They're preparing the food and everything. Everybody's here. It's going to be a lot of noise, a lot of good time. We're just here getting settled in and getting ready to eat and all that good stuff. So enjoy today's vlog as we take you guys in to 2018. Tell it what? What? Take it out. This is just for the starters, you guys. That's eggs, that's salmon, shrimp. You guys, I'm here with Tyler and Babe. I'm actually here just eating shrimp away. Tyler's on his tablet and Baby's down there playing Mario Kart. Can you guys imagine? All the boys played Mario Kart down there. And I think the girls gonna play after. I'm not that kind of person, so I don't think I'll be able to play anyway. I don't feel like playing a game, but I'm here just to enjoy the night really. Night is still young, so we're just having fun. This is real French food that they do in winter. So that's different type of French cheese. That's potatoes. And there's different kind of meat in there, different kind of ham and stuff, and there's also eggs. So yeah, everybody's grubbing right now. Okay, you guys, this is dessert. I don't know what it is. Tell me what is it? What is it?
It's 40 € par personne. Châtaigne, marron. Châtaigne. Châtaigne. I don't know the name.
Okay.
Ça tient du chinois. C'est quelque chose de marron.
Babe, what is this?
Marron suisse.
Marron suisse.
Marron.
Je ne sais pas.
Oh, it's brown, but
yeah.
The color brown, but the fruit. The melanie brown.
Crème brown.
Cream brown. Chris Brown. The Chris Brown.
Babe, honey. Okay.
Some cheese mascarpone.
Okay. With cheese?
Cheese, yes.
This is chestnut
Like
cream.
cheese in tiramisu. Cheese.
Okay.
Cheese.
Chestnut cream.
Marron, je sais plus comment on dit marron. Chestnut. Je sais pas moi. Je sais pas, crème de marron, chestnut.
You guys, I finished eating and I feel like a stuffed pork. How do you feel after eating?
I'm feeling okay. I stopped before to feel bad.
I eat a lot tonight in comparison to all the other nights. Well, it's the last night here, so the countdown is real. What time?
54.
54. 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go.
Okay. 54, 6 minutes to go. Just to let
No, my clock is saying 4 minutes to go. So I don't know what you're talking about. 4 minutes to go.
She's gonna celebrate New Year before everybody.
And Tyler is still awake.
La pression. T'as 3 minutes. Je peux y aller du coup. 2, 1. La folie, moi. La Jamaïque, la Coupe du Monde, moi. La Jamaïque, non. Ça veut dire la Coupe du Monde, moi. Avec ta vous le savez tous, le principal cette année. C'est la coupe. Happy New Year! La santé! Bonne année, finaliste!
Espoir.
Bonne année! Toi aussi! Bonne année! La santé! Bonne année! C'est ce qu'on demande au Père Noël. Ah, mais pareil, on espère, mais... Hey, bonne année!
Bisous, tonton!
Hey, bonne année! Bonne année!
Babe, come here, babe. Fast, the battery's gonna die. Happy New Year, guys!
Happy New Year.
You guys, it's New Year's 2018 and we've made it to another year. Just want to tell you guys, thank you for watching us. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, we love you guys, and we're gonna end tonight vlog with a kiss.